Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change financial year end on QuickBooks. So first is head over to Intuit QuickBooks and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the settings icon. Then next is click on account and settings. Next, in the left panel, click on advanced. Then click on the accounting category. Here you can see the first month of financial year settings where you can change the month. That will be your first month of financial year. Just click on the drop down menu and choose your desired month. Then once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!